Hello everyone, today I have the March 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag. This is the $12 bag. First up is this Loki brush. Probably won't use it though because I only really do eyeshadow and lipstick. It's nice and soft though, and it is Loki 640 Pro Precision Tapered Brush. This bag. This is the bag this month, and it's the 100. And this came off. Anyways, don't really know how that happened. So this is the 100th Ipsy Glam Bag. Here's the little thing, celebrate you, and does not give the pricing for anything. Next thing I'm pulling out here is this Shayna B Miami Guava Glow Highlighter. Looks like this. Then there's this Naked Cosmetics Pressed Pigment Eyeshadow in Mother Nature. Again, and then this is the eyeshadow. Next we have is this Awake Lip Therapy Lip Mask. That inside looks like that. Can't really put a scent to it. Then there is this Foxy Bay No Fox Given Don't Hate Hydrate Replenishing Hair Mask. Looks like. And then there's this Kissy So Pretty perfume. This. It looks like. Fruity, but I can also smell the alcohol that's in this, kind of too. And a little 30% off Kissy So Pretty fragrance line or gift set, and it says use code KENSP30. And that's all that was in here. Recap was the Loki brush, the Kissy So Pretty perfume, Shayna B highlighter, the Naked Cosmetics eyeshadow, the Awake lip mask, and the Foxy Bay replenishing hair mask. we got an extra item this month because it was Ipsy's 100th glam bag. I'll see if I can fix this bag. If not, it's not a huge deal because I was just going to probably resell this and do my own little version of Ipsy on Macari. But yeah, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep the Shayna B Miami highlighter yet because I again don't really use anything but eyeshadow and lipsticks and such. I could use this as a eyeshadow. The Naked eyeshadow is pretty much as big as this one too. And yeah, they are the same amount, so that. It's a bigger eyeshadow than I'd think I'd have gotten from it, but I will swatch the eyeshadow in Mother Nature since I will be keeping this. It's really pretty. So the only things that I won't use for sure are the actual bag and the brush, and I possibly won't use the Shayna B highlighter, but everything else I'll use. With these, since I'm going to keep the Ipsy Glam Bag for a bit, I think I'm going to get a larger Z palette and just try and take them out of these little packages and put them all in one large Z palette. So that's all I have for you guys today. Hope y'all have a great day. Bye.